Say now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal Lucretia back with a new video. In today's video we are going to do a room tour at the Marriott Hotel in Dubai. So let's take a look inside. So here is the door, guys. Here you have master lights and everything like this. I guess it's a do not disturb thing. Makeup room. We don't want the room to be makeup, so I think I need to put this outside. So entry light. Don't know what that means. Then you have a nice little painting here. As soon as you walk in, to your left there is a nice wardrobe where there's an iron up top here. There's an iron there. Have another little storage space here. You have the ironing board right here. Then you have a robe. I don't know why there's one because there's two of us. So robe there. You have some slippers here which I'm going to put on in a little bit. And more storage. Oh, hairdryer in here, I guess. What's in here? Nothing, but it's a lot of storage. A lot of storage here. Then you have a locker right here. Nice ambient lighting here so you can see what's in your wardrobe. Oh, I need this at home. I need some ambient lighting in the wardrobe, you know. Okay, then if we move along here, we have the tea and coffee station. So you have a nice coffee machine, you have 2 bottles of water. These are complimentary, and then you have 2 teacups and 2 espresso cups with the saucers, and a kettle right here to go with it. So I think we'll be using that because we are kind of hungry now. Anyway, then you come to the mini bar. I don't know why there's a lock on there, but yeah, here you go. That's what you have in the mini bar. Here we have some coffee pods, some teas, and some milk, some wine glasses, champagne glasses, some normal glasses. So what's this? Oh, I guess an ice bucket. And if we move on, oh, we have little snacks here, but I don't think this is, yeah, I think there's a price. Look here. You have to pay for this, so we won't touch this. Yeah, so we close that there. Close that there. Then we move along. There's another cupboard. What is in here? Oh, some more storage. So up there is pillows. Can't really see it, but there's pillows there. Then you have some hangers here, hangers there. I guess this is to put our suitcases on or rest our suitcases here. I think, yeah, we'll use this for our suitcases. This area. So, close that here now. Then come to bathroom. I guess this is the lighting here. So the bathroom lights are already on. Sorry, let me put my card down. Bathroom, oh my goodness, this is the bathroom of dreams, I swear. That's me, and the light, and that's me, bar, and that's me. They have a big bathtub here. Oh my goodness, big bathtub. And they have shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. They also have a shower head. Then they have the toilet here, a little dustbin here. Phone, I don't know what that's all about, but then they have a bidet, I think. to wash your bum. I'm not quite sure. Then underneath here, so underneath the bathroom sink and the mirror, you have some more towels. You have a nice mat here lying down. You also have another bin. And you come here to the shower area. You have a towel hanging up. You have an overhead shower. Beautiful. It has the same shampoo, conditioner, shower gel right here. Then you have another robe. So that's the second robe that I was looking for. Lovely. So let's move on, guys. So then you come to another full-length mirror in the room, so I can see how I'll be looking at my outfits. This is where I'm gonna take my pictures, okay? I'm gonna take my pictures in here. Okay, so there you have a bed. This looks like a double bed. And next to the bed you have a side table, some little side lamps, and a little other lamp here, I think. Done? Yeah, it's another lamp here. Lovely. So there. Oh, they have the Quran in here. Holy books are at your service, so if you need a Bible, you can get a Bible from them. Another nice artwork. There is the air conditioning. There are suitcases. I think this room connects to another room over there. Anyway, then you have the TV directly in front of the bed here. You have some more storage spaces. So you have 6 drawers in total. So this is what the bed's looking like from this side. Here is another side table. You have a little notepad. Anyway, ooh, this is what I love. You have USB sockets here. Perfect. And then you have the UK plug, so that will come in handy. We have a little table, and we also have 2 armchairs. So 2 armchairs here. Sorry, let me go like this so you guys can see. Then you have a nice desk with a swivel chair. There's some tissues here. Oh, you have some pizza. Okay, I'm gonna have to read this up. This is about all the restaurants here, the spa, and basically all the amenities in here. I think this is about the spa. Have another drawer here. Palm Jumeirah. Oh, nice postcard. Cute. So you have a nice bin under here, a nice swivel chair. Let me sit in it. Let me sit in it. I'm in Dubai, y'all. Dubai. Dubai. Dubai, Dubai, Dubai. Yeah, guys, so I'm at my desk. I'm doing my work, okay? I can edit my video. My first time ordering room service and I'm so excited. It smells so good already. We have some Asian waffle fries, crispy chicken burger, shrimp, and some chicken wings. Let's eat. It's good, guys. Deals here, except I don't have my computer, so it is what it is. Oh, my hair looking cute. It's looking cute now because it's like dried. My baby's laughing. Yeah. He likes to see his baby happy. Don't you, baby? You like to see me happy? He's not answering now because he's a little shy. But yeah. Okay, I want to show you guys the view. But is that my booty? I want to show you guys the view, but yeah, it's kind of dark. Oh my god.
No, you can't show them the view because the lights.
Is it nice?
Fine, nice.
Is it nice? Okay, my baby said it's nice, so let's go. So yeah, then you have like, you know, the base curtains, then you have the blackout curtains. I forgot what this is called. Like a skirting? No, what's it called? I can't remember. But anyway, you have your blackout curtains here. So let me pull this back. Open the door. God, how do you open the door? Ah, you push it out. Push it out. Guys, the guy said it's a very, very nice view. So let's see. Oh! So first, I have a little side table. You guys can't see so much, but yeah. We have 2 chairs here. Oh my goodness. It is a very nice view. This, guys, is water here. This is literally all water. Then you have the beach here. Then you have our hotel pool here. Then you have the hotel grounds. Oh my goodness. I wonder what happens here. And there's some cabanas there. Someone's penthouse. What's that? Are they cleaning the pool? Oh no. But we trying to go back inside now. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. So guys, we made it to Dubai. We made it to the dew of Dubai. Dubai. Today is actually my birthday. It's my birthday today. I am grown. Yeah, it's my birthday. We made it to Dubai and I cannot wait to wake up in Dubai. Oh god. I can't wait to wake up in Dubai. Anyway, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning probably. 3 a.m. Hold on. Yeah, it's 3 a.m. I think we're gonna order a room service. Hopefully there's someone still there. And yeah, they will bring us some food so that we won't go hungry. Yeah, to bed. Then we'll wake up in the morning and I will show you guys the view then. And yeah, and if the room is looking better in the morning, I'm gonna do a room tour. I'm gonna take you guys outside.